Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, going to technical analyze for your next goal trade. So, gold has reached again 2050 level now. Current gold price is 2039. Price has some rejected from 2050 level. That is the strong resistance level. You can see I am in the daily chart goal. So strong resistance in 2050 level. You can see the left side strong sell zone, strong resistance. So I am in a daily chart goal. So I am hoping this is the technically I am seeing this is the resistance 2050 to 2050 level price. Some rejected to the downside from here. So in daily chart, so I am hoping this is the left side. You can see this resistance. This is the resistance. You can see I am marking this is resistance can be supported in right side. So I am in a daily chart. It can be support resistant become support simple technically theory. So I am hoping price some rejected to this level 2005 level. Left side resistance can be supported in here. 2005 is the next your buy zone I am thinking. So I am going to the 4-hour chart for clear picture. So I'm drawing trend line. This is the trend line price going to the upside. So I am in a 4-hour chart. This trend line price has reached, price has reacted several times and go to the upside. So uptrend. So this is the 2005 2010 level is the your next buy zone, strong buy zone. You can see this buy zone and also left side resistance, strong resistance. So strong resistance means strong sellers are there, that sellers can be buyers in this zone. And trend line to downside and rejected, that is the 2022. And I am hoping to break this trend line to 2005 level. So that is the my technically I am seeing this kind of picture goal. And also you should touch with the economic data. US quietly GDP in here today 19th November, that the GDP will positive, that is the dollar demand and gold sell off. So 2005 is I am hoping technically price is to downside and your buy zone is the 2005 level. That is the my technically picture, technically analysis. You can join with my telegram link is accurate goal signals, goal analysis. You can join with it. So link is below, you can join with. So get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmation. Money management is the key for trading. So get the trades. Then thank you very much.